You're watching the Throttle House Track Series, and this is a drag race.
Look at that! Okay, so today we've brought along the Audi RS3 and the Tesla Model 3 all-wheel drive, non-performance version.
And the reason we're doing this is because both of these crushed the M2 competition, much to my dismay, so it only made sense to put them together. Yes, you might have seen this Model 3 show its taillights to an M2 competition, but what you haven't seen is the M2 also get roasted by this Audi RS3. The M2 would probably embarrass them on the track, and we can explore that later in the season, but right now, we decided to just put both of the all-wheel drive victors together. This should be a good race.
And today is made possible by our sponsor, Krown Rust Control. I got my WRX rust controlled recently, and it looks as good as the day before it got rust control. Yeah. But it's gonna stay looking like that.
That's right.
Thanks to Krown. Okay, so what's important here? I'm gonna have to beat that instant electric torque from the Tesla somehow, and the Quattro RS3 might just be the weapon to do it with. With its turbocharged 5-cylinder engine, it delivers 395 horsepower and 354 pound-feet of torque through Audi's double-clutch S-tronic gearbox. So to the Tesla, I say, bring it on.
So this is the all-wheel drive long-range Model 3 with 346 horsepower but instant torque. We think it's going to give the RS3 a serious fight. Let's find out. All right, this time I'm in the Tesla Model 3. James kept putting me in the M2 competition. And this time I have the car that's easy to launch.
I'm in the RS3, so this thing weighs about 3,600 pounds compared to the Tesla's 4,000 pounds. And both these things have all-wheel drive and a very simple launch control system. So I'm desperate to see what happens here. And I think, I don't know what's going to happen. If the Tesla wins, it will win with a whimper. And if this wins, it will win with a bang.
This is going to be a close race, actually. I don't actually know what's going to happen. Before you watch this race, subscribe so that you can catch lots more content just like this. And follow us on Instagram at The Throttle House.
Okay, I'm beating him off the line.
Oh my god, the RS3 took it. I'm flat.
I've crushed him.
It's just got more power.
I've absolutely decimated him.
I couldn't possibly have botched the launch because that's not possible.
Internal combustion engine!
I honestly thought I was going to win.
I thought you were going to do it as well.
You just crushed it.
That was amazing. I'm grinning ear to ear.
You just crushed it off the line.
That was amazing.
That thing just goes.
Both these cars.
Like, this just hooked up and went, and I just watched that walk away.
Walked away.
It's not like I missed a shift or anything.
No.
Nuts. I honestly didn't see that was it. So obviously, now we know, the Model 3 Performance needs to go up against that.
Ooh.
Maybe for a future video.
Ooh.
Subscribe.